So you've just installed your Saily eSIM on your Android phone, but it's showing as inactive? Don't worry, that happens sometimes, and it's usually a super easy fix. Let's go through it step by step, and by the end of this video, your SIM should be up and running perfectly. First things first, when your Saily eSIM says inactive, it usually comes down to one of two things. Either data roaming isn't turned on, or your APN settings need a quick tweak. Let's start with the roaming settings. Step 1. Check data roaming. Open Settings, go to Connections, then Mobile Networks. Look for your new Saily eSIM. Sometimes it might show up as One Global in your phone's SIM manager. Now, make sure data roaming is switched on. That allows your Saily eSIM to connect to local mobile networks when you're traveling. If roaming is already on, let's move to the next step. Step 2. Check your APN settings. Go back to Settings, then Connections, Mobile Networks, and Access Point Names. Tap your Saily eSIM, then hit Add. Now enter this exactly as I say it. For name, type truephone.com. For APN, type truephone.com again. Then scroll down to APN type and type default.done with a comma and no spaces. Once you're done, tap Save in the top corner. These details are usually added automatically, but if anything looks different, go ahead and fix it. Once that's set, make sure your Saily eSIM is selected as your default data SIM. Go to Settings, Connections, SIM Manager, and set Saily eSIM as the default for mobile data. Now, turn off Wi-Fi and run a quick test. Open a browser or do a speed test. If your data's loading, congrats, you're good to go. Step 3. Still showing inactive? If roaming is on and your APN looks correct but it's still not connecting, don't stress. Reach out to Saily support, either through the app or by emailing support@saily.com. They usually respond quickly and can check your activation status on their end. And that's it. That's how you fix the Saily eSIM inactive issue on Android and make sure your data works smoothly while you travel. If this helped you out, hit like, subscribe, and check out my other quick SIM tutorials and travel tech tips.